ISO Slim Thug just revealed that he got attacked by a bird while he was chilling at his house. He showed the video footage of what happened, and says while he was defending himself, the bird lost its life in the process. Let's check it out.
Did you just see that? What? This bird attacked me, kid. What the What happened? The bird just attacked me.
Where the bird at now?
Look at that mother. I knocked his out, he dead. You see that mother? Man, I'm laying down in my backyard. Nah, y'all ain't gonna believe this. Nah. I'm on the back. I'm like this. Listen to what I'm saying. I'm laying down like this. This is a fan right here. I'm laying down like this, y'all. I'm relaxed. Look what my knee doing. My knee is right here. I'm sitting right here. A bird landed on my knee. The bird landed on my knee. I push the bird off of me. I jump up. The bird follow me. The bird is after me like this here with his claws. This trying to get me. Yo, this trying to get me. I turn around. I'm like, what are you moving for? You got hands. I hit the bird and the bird. I pushed the bird and knocked this out. This is crazy.
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.